In this video, we are going to look at how we can run code inside a loop. In Dart, there are a couple of keywords that we can use to deal with loops, and these are known as the while and for loops. So let's create a new pod, and then we can start with an example. What we want to do is to write a function that we can use to calculate the sum of all values inside a list of integers. So this function will have an int return type. We're going to call it sum, and then it will take one input parameter, which is a list of integers named values, like this. And then we need to implement this function. And we're going to see a few different ways that we can do this. So I'm going to write some code and then I will explain it. So here it goes. Int I equals 0, and then int result equals 0, and then while open bracket I less than values dot length, and then inside curly braces I can type result plus equal values, and then within square brackets I semicolon, and then I plus plus, like this, and in the end I'm going to return result, like this. So how does this code work? Here we define a result variable which we use to add up all the values in our list. And to iterate on the list, we initialize an index variable called I. And then we use a while loop. This while statement takes a condition and executes the code inside the body while the condition is true. So what we do is to start with I equal 0, and then we compare I with the number of values in the list. Then we access the value of the list at the index I, and we add this to our result value with the plus equal operator. Finally, we increment I with the plus plus operator. And this guarantees that we will add all the values in the list, because I increments one by one until it reaches the length of the list. When this happens, the condition inside the while loop evaluates to false and we exit the loop. And the last thing that we do is to return the result. So let's see if this works. In the main method, I'm going to create a list by typing final values equals, and then within square brackets 1, 2, 3, 4, like this, and then print the sum of values, like this. And if I run the code, I can see that on the console I get the number 10, which is the correct result. Okay, so we have seen how to use the while loop, and let's continue on the next video.